Good morning, everyone. So, got an early start, already got the paint, already got a gun, filters, sandpaper, everything. So, and yeah, let's hopefully hope that this day ends up well. It's pretty humid outside, but I will probably, like an hour before I start painting, close the garage and turn on a heater in there so that I can kind of make it a little bit hotter, which I really don't want, but kind of remove some of the humidity as well. I would tell you to vote, but the polls are closed right now, assuming that this video is going to be up tonight. Right now it's like 10 something a.m. It's going to close in 4 hours at 2 p.m. But tomorrow it opens up at 12. Assuming that Calvin's Garage, which I hope he does, wins his round, I'm going to be versing Calvin's Garage for the semi-finale to get to SEMA. So it's either me or him going to SEMA. I literally called it the second I saw that it was me and him in the wild cards. I was like, I knew it's going to be me, him, Dom, and whoever the hell the fourth person is. So as you can see, we have the hood sanded to 220 already. We're gonna be doing it to 320 and then 400, and then if I can find like some 500 or 600, I'll do that. But 400 is enough, as is. So yeah, I mean it's so much easier to sand with an orbital sander than that stupid box one that just vibrates. So hopefully this can be done pretty quickly, and then we can lay down the base coat, which I don't really care too much about in the sense of overall, you know, but I will probably close the garage door. There is still dust everywhere, so I will probably go around with a sprayer bottle, mist down everything that's dusty, mist down the floor, probably pour water all over the floor, because that's what you do with paint, so the dust can't rise, because once it sticks to the water, it's like not gonna rise. And yeah, just get some good prep going, mainly in the clear coat. That's where you're gonna see everything. So if the dust gets in the thing, it doesn't matter, but the clear coat, that's where it'll matter. So yeah, hopefully this turns out pretty good. I have high hopes, because I'd really like to get this car moving along, because we actually have a week till the 15th, and the 15th to the 19th is when they said that it's going to be picked up sometime in that week. So we literally have a week to do this car and paint it and reassemble it, so hopefully we can get this done.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer. No If you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Dramatic reveal, new whip. Banned from SEMA. Banned from SEMA, forfeited the competition. Doo-doo won.
So yeah, that's the new paint.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah, this is like, oh, Jesus Christ, my tripod just fell apart.
Yeah, bulletproof, huh?
I cracked it when I wrapped it around that thing. But yeah, this is literally like the best clear coat I've ever done. It looks wet, but I mean it's dry. What are you looking? Anyways, this is like my best clear job ever. Kiss it. Cause it's like, there's very minimal orange peel. It's really, really, really nice. Mainly just because I tried. I mean, I've had, yeah, I think it's amazing for all this dust and all this setting. That's why I really need to have a shop so I can build my little booth area. Because them reflections, though, as you can see, and then the silver too. There's a little bit of a blotchiness.
I seriously can't believe no one actually rents out a booth though.
Yeah, it's I posted it on my Instagram, on Facebook. Nobody said. There was like some shop up in North Jersey that says they have like plastic and it's like, we give you the material and you can do it yourself in our booth. And I messaged them and they just said scene. I was like, okay, fucking awesome. But there's a little bit of blotchiness on the silver because this is what I was talking about. The silver metallics is where like you have to have perfect coverage. And I mean, on the camera you can't really even see it. There you go. You can see the little darker spot. But I'm thinking at SEMA it won't be too noticeable just because like it's like if
There's
it's
gonna be a lot of even bright lights.
if it's spanned by like lights like this, you don't really see it. And that whole place is like a convention center with a, you know, a convention with a lot of lights. So yeah. I mean, it's really nice. As you can see, I went with a darker color. I think the silver does look really similar. I mean, you can compare it from this to this.
What an improvement!
It's not out in the sun, but I mean, it is a darker blue, and I think it looks closer to the game. The silver is almost identical to the silver I had on the car.
All you have to do is turn the brightness down, you clown, instead of repaint the whole hood.
Yeah, fuck me. So now I'm gonna do that now, the pinstripes. Might as well. But I do have the 1/4 inch pinstripes. They're right here. They're much thicker than what they used to be.
Whoa.
So you can see they're 1/4 inch thick versus 1/8 inch thick before. So I might just put the lines down now, just to get the full look going, and then I'll take a picture of the. Sucky thing about paint is today was a long day, although I didn't really completely do much.
Your voices in my dreams, take me home with you. I'm in between, I can't decide what you would do to me. My heart is lost without you next to me. We have to.
So I think this looks way better now with the pinstriping and everything like that. As you can see how nice it is. The thicker pinstripe does make a big difference in my opinion. It does look a lot more different. Definitely notice the thickness. It's a small difference, but it's the little details that count for something like this. So yeah, I think it looks beautiful. I already put the front bumper That's the rear bumper. The front bumper of the fender is inside. I'm gonna leave the car outside. It has a tarp on it. It's kind of like shitty and raining today, but yeah. Hope you guys are excited, and hopefully you guys are kind of gonna wake up and see that this car will be done in about a week's time. Tomorrow I want to get the latches to set up on the front fenders and the front bumper. Once those holes are drilled, then we can just sand the fenders and bumper and paint them. I'm probably gonna put the stuff on the car to mark the lines, and then I'll take them off for paint. And then hopefully Wednesday, the day after tomorrow, we can do the doors, take out the windows, gut the doors to lose all the weight, because there's like a lot of weight. You could lose like 60 pounds a door by gutting the doors. Paint those, and then we'll just have the rear end left. Because I think I'll reverse the car in here, because the most room is over here, and I'll reverse it in because this is the main part I'll be painting around, and I think that should work. You know, let's get this thing done. The kit shipped today, so hopefully it'll be here by Wednesday or Thursday, so I can mount the rear fenders and mold them and see what's happening with the side skirts and fitment and in general. So hopefully you guys are excited, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.